For today's kitchen tip, we're going to discuss storing your cooking utensils near your cooking area. If you cook every day like I do, you probably have some favorite cooking utensils that you always use. For me, it's wooden spoons. Personally, I just like how durable they are, and I like that it's easy to remove stuck on food. Previously, we talked about storing these items in a drawer near your cooking area or your prep area. Well, if you cook a lot, you may want to put them in a container on your countertop near your cook area and your prep area instead. That way that they're always within easy reach and you don't have to go looking for them. So you know that I like to keep my counters clutter-free. So let me talk to you about a few ways that you can display your utensils out on your counter and still keep your kitchen looking nice, neat, and organized. First, make sure that your cooking utensils are always clean before you put them away in your container of choice on the counter. Whenever we take our dishes out of the dishwasher, sometimes they can still have food debris stuck on them. You need to be vigilant and make sure that they are completely clean so that way you don't have yucky utensils sitting out where everyone can see. Choose a container that matches your kitchen decor. If you have a farmhouse kitchen, maybe you want to use a small crock pot that's old. If you have a kitchen that's filled with birdhouses, maybe get a really cute birdhouse, take the top off, clean the inside, and put your utensils in that. Maybe you really like flowers. Get a really cute flower pot and use that as your container of choice to hold your utensils. Be creative and don't be afraid to go out of the norm if that's what you're into. Just make sure to choose a container that matches the decor of your kitchen and so everything is cohesive. Only choose your most used items to set near the stove. We don't need a container full of every single large utensil that you use. For example, if I had a container next to my stove holding my utensils, they would be nothing but wooden spoons. By doing this, you're avoiding cluttering up your counters with a container jammed full of all these utensils, and that can be a little unsightly. What are you waiting for? Go grab your cute container, fill it with your favorite utensils, set it near your cooking area, snap a photo of it, and share it down below. I would love to see the ideas that you've come up with. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.